classes are Battle of the Robots. Students are having their robots battle each other to the death. And by death, I mean they put a balloon on the back of the robot and a pin lance on the front, and they drive their robot and attempt to pop the balloon of their opponent. This class is called Engineering 1201. It's Introduction to Engineering. They learn about the various branches of engineering: mechanical engineering, civil, electrical, computer, and so on. And then for most of the course, these students are working in groups of 4 or 5 students to build and troubleshoot a robot. And we also spend some time teaching the students how they can use 3D printers to make their own parts and put them on the robots.
We created a lab called the Mobile Integrated Systems Laboratory. 2 things we do there. One is we build space-based product and systems, and the other is we develop systems for STEM outreach. We've been very successful over the last couple of years of working with Blinn, and through that process we've identified a number of young men and women who have come to Texas A&M, have started in the program, and are doing quite well. So yes, this is a tremendous recruiting opportunity for us, and we take advantage of that anytime we can.
So I'm actually majoring in biomedical engineering, so it's a good start to figure out what engineering is, because we didn't have anything like this at my high school.
And this is my family in this class now. We're good friends now because of this. Kind of brought us together, and we built a robot and fought it with other robots, which is super cool.